In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT 4 in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know how to install the official add-on, sign in, use it across Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive, and polish your results so they're ready to share. Let's start with the setup. Head to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for the OpenAI ChatGPT for Workspace add-on. Open the listing, confirm it's the official one, and click Install. Approve the requested permissions so the add-on can appear inside your Google Apps. If you use a work or school account and installations are restricted, you may need an administrator to enable it. Once installed, you're ready to connect it to your OpenAI account. Open Gmail, Google Docs, or Google Sheets and look for the ChatGPT icon or a sidebar option. Click it, then sign in with your OpenAI credentials. This securely links ChatGPT to your Google Workspace tools so you can work without switching tabs. If you don't see the sign-in window, check that your browser didn't block pop-ups. And if you juggle multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the one where you installed the add-on. You can also access ChatGPT separately in your browser when you want to work outside of Google Apps, but the add-on is what brings it right into your documents, emails, and spreadsheets. Now let's put it to work. In Gmail, you can have ChatGPT draft emails instantly. Provide context like your goal, audience, and tone, and it will generate a clear starting point you can refine. In Google Docs, use it to write blogs, captions, scripts, and reports. Give it a brief, keywords, or an outline, and ask for a first draft or a rewrite in a different style. In Google Sheets, ask it to generate spreadsheet formulas, create summaries from data, or build simple tables to jumpstart your analysis. In Google Drive, you can organize and summarize files, helping you understand long documents faster. Helpful prompts include write a professional reply, summarize this document, create social media captions, and generate spreadsheet formulas. The more specific you are about tone, length, and audience, the better the output. Before you send or publish anything, review the AI-generated content carefully. Use the built-in options to rewrite responses, change the tone, translate text, or shorten and expand sections until it lands just right. Verify facts, remove anything sensitive, and tailor details to your situation. When you're happy, copy or insert the result directly into your email, document, or sheet and save it in Google Workspace like you normally would. That's it. Install the add-on, sign in, use it across your favorite Google apps, and edit for quality. You'll work faster while staying in control of the final product.